Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here I have thick piece of cardboard. I have stick 3 to 4 pieces together by hot glue, and these are wood sticks which we normally use for craft purpose or anything to stick for the paper fans and those things, which I am sticking them inside the cardboard piece. I made the hole, and yeah, then I use the hot glue to stick them properly on the place. This is like a stand for her. She's keeping her hands on it, you can say a bar or anything like that. Then it's this sculpture, I'm not making it into complete figure like from the back side, her curvy shapes and those things. It's just a room decoration piece, so I prefer to do not go into much details, just roughly. Even this, if the skin has some texture of the clay and those things, that is fine for me. Then on a piece of cardboard I started to draw the shape. Here you can see how slim and skinny thing I am drawing. So this is just totally different than my previous sculptures. I don't want to go into much details. Here I was making the legs as well, but then I find out later that I have to cut the legs after applying the foil. So this is, here you can see I measure just like this how much her body will be touching from the down and how much it's going to be from the top of the this pillar type something. And then I am applying some foil just for some you can say some body shapes and those things. I'm not gonna make too much details. After I'm doing this foil, applying this foil from the front and from the back side as well, same thing. And then here I will be cutting off the legs part because I just wanted to take the idea. Then I will be applying the foil from the top to down a little bit to make the Then from her chest part I will be applying the hot glue to stick it with the wood these borders I made. And then from the bottom, a little bit of her feet as well, I will be sticking it with the hot glue. And then we will start to go further. These are her arms, which I will be cutting and folding it like she's in a very nice relaxing posing way, folding her arms and keeping it on the border or on the pillar. Here I have prepared her head as well, head and neck, which I will be sticking here on the top. This one is my homemade paper mache clay. I have the tutorial on my channel as well, so I will be covering all of the sculpture with this paper mache clay by making the feet shape as well, because I didn't make the feet. So I will be applying the clay in this way that little bit feet shape will be prominent as well while applying the clay on all of the sculpture. So this is, here you see it a little bit green. After getting dry it will start to change the color because of the cement I added in it, in the clay and those things. So yeah, and while applying it, where I need some curves for her body, like from hips area, a little bit from the sides, I will apply more clay to get more curvy shape. And but otherwise we don't need too much details in it. It's just a decoration piece for the room. Here I am applying a little bit clay to defining her dress shape, to keep it a little bit different and to keep it a little bit away from the legs to do not have a straight smooth piece and those things. That's why I'm just applying a little bit clay here on the bottom to make it a little bit looks different and to make the shape prominent for the dress. I have let it dry completely for a day in sun, then it's dry now, and if you need you can use cement with water to apply on it to make it smooth, but for me only on very rough edges I'm using this spackling paste. Sorry, I'm off to camera. I was so busy in doing I didn't understand that it was out of the camera actually. So anyway, I will be applying just this spackling paste, texture paste, whatever you call it, on very rough areas. Otherwise that's fine for me even if I get some edges rough and those things. Here I have black acrylic paint. I am gonna color the base, this cardboard piece with this one. Then later on I will be coloring this pillar as well to make it defined, to make it looks different. And then I will be using the same black acrylic paint on her legs, arms and face and body parts mostly, by leaving the middle part for the dress. So while this black color is wet on her body, I will start to use golden bronze acrylic paint as well to merge, to mix the colors together. So here I will be first coloring the basic body parts, and here she is looking nice even with black and white as well without any hair or those things. So anyway, here is this bronze golden acrylic paint which I am using on her body while the black color was still wet, so it can be mixed together to give it looks like different shape, different color and those things. So yeah, the thing I'm doing on the front part of the body, the same thing I have did for the back side as well. So same thing obviously you will be doing. You will not be leaving the back part empty and those things. And here I have this red acrylic paint to color her dress, and yeah, we will be almost done and after that. And I will be preparing her hat with the foil. No much details, nothing, just I will be making the hat shape. I will be coloring it with the red acrylic paint as well, and even if foil will be giving some color of itself as well, I will be leaving it as it is to give it the embossing parts and those things. So here you can see I have just simply prepared a hat, coloring it, not into much details. I'm not applying the color inside the foil of the texture parts as well, just leaving it as it is. Here you can see foil is still prominent, so that's fine as well. It will be giving it anyway itself a beauty. So that's for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a little bit different sculpture than my previous ones, and I will be bringing some new ideas related to sculptures which mostly people want to watch. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and